How to create Paysafe card account. If you want to create a Paysafe card account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now on the search bar, search for Paysafe card registration. And then here on the first search, you will have Paysafe registration. Click on that. And now it will take you to the website of Paysafe. And here you will have an option which says set up an account. Click on that. And now you have to enter your country, like you have to select a country. And after selecting your country, you can click on next. And now to create, you have to enter your login data. So first of all, enter an email address and then enter a password. And after entering this information, you can click here and then you can click on further. And now it is asking to verify. And after verifying, you will receive an email to your email address. And now after opening your mail, you will find this Paysafe card mail. So here you can click on email registration, and then you have verified your email. So now you can go back and you can click on further. And now you have to enter your personal information like your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. Further. And now you have to enter your address, details like street, house number, postal code, and your city. And now after entering your address details, then you can click on further. And here you have to enter your mobile number. And after verifying your mobile number, then you can click on further, and then you'll be ready to use your Paysafe card account. So that's it guys, that's how you create it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.